Check it out, you guys. It's Super Duper Crispy here, and today we're going to be reviewing the Michigan City Outlet Mall. So, this mall is called Lighthouse Place Premium Outlets. It's nestled alongside Lake Michigan. It's got stores like Nike, Adidas, Under Armour, Puma, Ralph Lauren, and many more. So, these are the shoes I'm rocking today, the Cosmic Unity 3s Spotlights. And of course, like always, I got dirty, looking crazy out here. Man, so I ended up trying to find an outfit, and that's what I'm going to do in this video. I even got the shirt dirty too. Look at the kiddo over here laughing at me. So they got the Nike factory store here in Michigan City. They actually have some really good deals if you can find the right shoes. And if you're a Nike member, you get an additional 15% off. This is actually where I found the waffles at. I ended up paying like $64, I believe. You can become a Nike member by just downloading the app, and then they'll give you a QR code, and then they just scan that and it'll give you the 15% off. So yeah, they had a lot of basketball shoes, the LeBrons. Whatever you do, do not wear jeans and basketball shoes. Please don't do that. But yeah, you can see these LeBrons here. These are the only ones I was really feeling. Yeah, I will warn you, it's always packed in here. I tried recording over there by the clothes because I needed a new fit for the day, but it was just so packed, and I couldn't even find anything. Honestly, everything was just weak. It just felt so cheap, and all they had was like super short shorts, which I hate. Now everybody's rocking these short shorts. But yeah, they had these animal print LeBrons. I think they were going for like $160. But yeah, I didn't even end up buying anything, but I made my way over here to the Eddie Bauer store, which is like a camping goods store. I was kind of feeling these shoes. They are alright. It's kind of like a hiking vibe. But I will say Eddie Bauer has some fire ass shirts. They've lasted me forever. They're 100% cotton. They're kind of expensive, like $30. But yeah, I wasn't feeling anything here either. I just ended up going to Zoomies and checking out what they had over there. These New Balances are hot. I love these. I got a pair of they're called the Jamie Foys. I got the black pair, and they were kind of hard to wear at first. You got to really break these in. That's what sucked about them. It took forever to break them in. They just run really narrow. That was the problem with them. They got these SBs over here. These was alright. Kind of an animal print going on to them. They wanted like 104. Damn, they fucking taxing. But yeah, that's what they got here at the Zoomy store. Vans, you know, your basic skater shoes, which I love. I love skater shoes for the reason that they last forever and you can beat them up and they still look good. But yeah, I always got to check out Zoomies. They always got some fire here. They don't carry diamond anymore, which I'm really upset about. I wanted to get a diamond shirt, but they didn't have any. They don't carry Odd Future shirts, whatever his brand's called. Let me know down in the comments what his brand's called. I forgot what it's called. But yeah, this is a view of the outlet mall. It's all outdoors, so you better go on a nice sunny day. Enjoy the weather, you know. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, but if you look on the top left corner on that clip, you can actually see the nuclear power plant they have over there, which is kind of odd. But yeah, these are the forums they got. I scored a pair last time I came out here for like $60. They got a bunch of deals going on. These are actually the Rivalry Low 87 Tar Heels. These are actually badass. I love how they got that cardboard look right there on that tongue. That's pretty sick. I wouldn't mind copying these. And they got like an additional 20% off I think they were giving out. But you got to sign up for the emails and all that shit. But I'd do it for 20%. You know, that's a good deal right there. You can't miss out on that. So next, I checked out the Puma store. That shit was kind of sick. They had all the Mellows for $70, man. That shit's a fucking steal. I did try them on, and they're super tight. That's what I hated about these. They even had the fucking, what do they call them? The Rick and Mortys, which everybody's going crazy, and the resale on those is going pretty high. Sorry guys, but I forgot to record over here on the other side. They actually had these Ferrari Puma collab. They also have a BMW collab. These shoes look kind of sporty, kind of like race car shoes. I wasn't feeling them, but I didn't even end up copying nothing there either. I'm freaking lacking, you guys. Either I'm lacking or they're lacking. But check it out. They got these sixes over here with the icy bottoms. I forget exactly what they're called, but they had them going for 130, which is kind of nice, I guess. I mean, them sixes, you just, I don't know, you just gotta wear them with the right fit, or else you look crazy. I don't really like them sixes, but these are fresh. You know, you gotta always have that all white pair, and I like how they got that small logo on them. They did have a huge selection of Jordan 1 lows. You gotta have your Jordan 1 lows for the summer. I love this shoe. It's such a perfect, simple, clean shoe. You can rock with jeans, shorts, anything, and it just meshes well. Just gotta have a nice, clean shirt, and you can just play it together. There's my son. He wanted me to ask Ronaldo or Messi. All right, check it out, you guys. These gum bottoms. I love gum bottoms. You gotta have some gum bottom shoes. Those are my favorites. But I feel like there's just not enough of them. So check it out, you guys. They got the strawberry waffles. It's crazy. It's the first time I seen these in a store. I think I seen recorded this actually like 2 weeks ago, but this is wild. Overall, I give this outlet mall a 7.7. The views are beautiful. It's a nice location. They had a beautiful little park out there, which is alright, but yeah, overall 7.7. They got some awesome deals here. Definitely check it out if you're in the area. But stay tuned, like and subscribe because I'm going to be digitizing the logo. I actually stopped at lids, which they have out here also, and I got it digitized. So the logo's digitized now, and I'm going to be making hats and selling merch with that. But yeah, I didn't even end up buying nothing out here. I'm just said whatever, you know. The older I get, the less I care. Stay tuned, you guys. We out of here.